The Daily Code Snippet. So let's look at a link using an absolute URL first. It would look like this. href equals https://www.websitename.com in quotation marks, link text, and the a closing tag. You would use the link element a, and the attribute href would be used to specify where you're going. So in the case of going to another website, you will have to put the absolute URL, which is the full website address. So it includes the http:// or https:// prefix. The text that is in between the a opening tag and the a closing tag would be the text that the viewer sees. Links have a default style to be blue and underlined. So whenever a user clicks on that link text, they will be rerouted to the website in the value of the href attribute. Sometimes you may want to have a link to another page on your website. Perhaps you have your home page, but you want to add an About Us page. In this case, you're going to use a relative URL. Instead of the full website address with the http:// or https://, you just need to tell the browser where to find the file relative to your home page. Browsers recognize the file index.html as the home page. Imagine that you have a folder called Pages, and that folder contains all the other pages to get to the About Us page. You would need to go into the Pages folder and find the About Us page, pages/aboutus.html. The code would look like this. A opening tag, href equal to folderpath /filename.filetype in quotation marks, link text, a closing tag. A opening tag, href equals pages/aboutus.html in quotation marks, about us, a closing tag. When you are trying to determine the path, you are trying to map out the location relative to where you are currently. Presented by Designers Learn Code.